everybody, welcome to the Vet for Life and Company. My name is Alexis and the wind just kicked up. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy radish leaf and potato soup. If you didn't have radish leaves, you could always use spinach. It's a great substitution. So, if you're new to gardening, radishes are really easy to grow. From seed to harvest, they take about 4 weeks, and they're probably one of the first things that I learned how to grow, and now I plant them every single year. They are a cool weather crop, just like a spinach or a lettuce, so it's best if you plant them early in the spring or late in the fall like we are now. They don't like a lot of heat. So let's head into the garden. It's not so pretty looking, but it does serve its purpose. Get our radishes and then follow me into the kitchen. Ooh, so cute. I have a bunch of them. They really should have been pulled. You can tell, see, they're like above the ground. Oh, that's a weed. That's a beautiful one. Look at that. Color's incredible. A lot of people cut these off and throw them out, but don't. They're delicious and packed full of vitamin and nutrients. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out the description box below for links to all of the products featured in this video, as well as links to our PayPal and Patreon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for next week when I show you how to pickle these radishes. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week. Bye.